Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. It's a little bit hotter today than I expected. Still feels like summer. Anyway, we're about a couple weeks out from the marathon. I just injured myself this past Saturday, so we'll see how that goes. The seasons are changing pretty quickly, as I'm sure you can tell in the video clips. With that said, let's get into the video talking about sound today. When it comes to sound, there's really one skill that matters more than anything else, and that's the ability to listen. The best way to practice listening is to block out 30 minutes to an hour of time, go find a park or a city block, and sit with your pen and your paper, write down all the sounds that you hear, and pay special attention to the sounds that are quieter and softer and in the distance. Another thing you can note on sound is how loud or quiet these sounds are. When it comes to making your movies sound the best they can be, it really comes down to figuring out what sounds need to be the loudest and the quietest, and what are the sounds that you can avoid. So with that said, take a moment, pause the video, go out and practice. I'll see you when you get back. Welcome back, and thanks again for tuning in for this segment of making films. I hope it was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. This will be the last of the film for a little while. But above all else, I just say practice. Whether you are an excellent natural-born videographer or whether it's something that, like me, you have to practice a few times. Practice helps everyone. It makes everyone better. In any case, until next time, take care.